Hello, everyone. So, we are trying to solve a problem which helps both teachers as well as students to enhance experience of teaching as well as learning. So, every classroom now has a smart board, but they don't know what to use. They're just currently showing YouTube videos for explanations. The same to solve that problem and to help students to better understand rather than by hearting things. So we have brought up simulatory experience. This is a 3D experience. What I mean by 3D is one, there is a simulation experience and also a textbook guide of end to end based on the real textbook and also a video reference for them to learn in whichever however they want to. So, for example, we have also connected Nano Banana Pro so that it explains the topic in just imagery as an infographic format. The student will just at least get a glance before actually selecting it. For example, if I take galvanic this topic, so here is one where we have a virtual lab, and this is a real time simulation where it changes dynamically. And we also on the other hand has an explanation from the textbook, electrochemistry, how does this work and what is the key concept, formulas of it. Not just that, we are also adding, because what happens is students cannot relate with real world application of what they're actually studying, so that we can show them this is how your smartphone battery works and operates. And not just that, we're also adding video resources for YouTube. uh, so this is just an reference and an example what we have added to showcase them how it is coming out. So not just this, we have added we are starting from chemistry because that is where people or students need a lot of help in understanding the topics, and these are very difficult topics. So now this is already being used by 300 plus students. We have already partnered with the institution, and this is completely built using Nano Banana, Notebook LM, and Gemini 3 Pro using AI Studio. So there are a lot of other topics we have already used. For example, FCC, BCC, right? And how does we can I've also had a slice atomizer if they want to, and explanation, the packing efficiency if they want. Okay, this is how the packing efficiency look like. Okay, let me show you how. So this is the formula of efficiency, white spaces, and this is coming out of from real textbook knowledge, not somewhere else. Point defects. So you can see Frankel, how does this work? Click on the icon ions. So such as this, see the density decreases as it works. And what is the Scotty effect and what is the Frankel effect? So this helps them understand. And the problem is the student or they know how to use it, but they cannot continue to use it because they can't generate it basically, right? So that is what the problem is. And we have it's a chart. It also took the chart how and the mathematical formulation. If you see this collision theory, how does it work, and with the real time example. So everything we're trying to bring the 3D experience, and it's already live. So this is what we have built so far, and we are also adding an AI doubt clearing. So if they have any such as like explain this topic simply and quiz me on this topic. For example, if I take gives me for that topic, it currently takes up a random topic right now. So if I entered into that particular topic, it asks me a different question. So this is just explaining one simple thing. It takes one collision theory for now. So it started explaining that. So it's just in the very beta stage right now, and it continues. We are planning to continue to enhance this end to end. So we are expanding to 8th to 10th 12th standard. So currently we are in 12th standard. So we are continue to expand that, and also we have started adding multiple subjects like biology, mathematics, and much more to build that, so that it's like a one-stop solution for every university. And this we are also selling. This is a white label solution for multiple other universities and colleges as well. So this is what we wanted to show. I hope you liked it. And so this is a real experience, and this is a real problem what we are seeing, and this is also being used already, embedded in the real world with students validation. And thank you so much for the whole Google team for putting this Gemini 3 Pro up, and all the efforts you guys been doing. Very good job. Thank you so much. It's amazingly for because of you guys is what we believe future is very interesting for us, and this is how we can make someone else life much more interesting, and so much energy for them to live for tomorrow. Thank you so much.